Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Darling, was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
That shall never end. At last, devil is a liar.
Yes, oh. At least we have victory.
Hey! Sissy! What's in your weight? Olowori is still in a very bad mood.
Ireti. Leave that one. Yeah? Good mood though. Bad mood though. What matters is that he is here. She doesn't have him.
Hey, you are right. So after all, half bread they say is better than nothing.
Oh, and Chief is back to where he belongs. Here, ever.
Downstairs.
Help me to knock the bell so that the children to come and collect.
No problem, see.
Hey, Woody. How would you? Behave yourself. Every time you're always rushing, I'll give you.
Go back, my friend. Mommy, thank you. Excuse me, sir. Look at me.
Come on, let me go through.
I'm going to
Next!
Mommy. Mommy B.
Please,
the matter.
For waiting. You are 4 people.
Yes, it is our 4 people that have information.
What information? CNA. If you don't fly from my presence now, I will just take the thing and flog that your mouth. Then no body. You go there now. Informant.
Mommy, I thought you wanted to know
There now.
why Mommy I was crying like waterworks. Sorry for disturbing you.
Come, Ola. Hey, easy one. Don't worry. What do you? Okay. Hey, your food will be as high as Mount Everest, eh? Don't worry. Don't worry. See this girl. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay.
It's about the will. Yes. There is a will and there is Bami. A will and Bami. Bami and a will.
Hey. Chifano. Hey. A will and chief and a will. No wonder Chief has been behaving funny these days. He left Caro upstairs and came down here. Hey, whoa. So Chief is making a will. Mama Moji is crying. Mban. Chief is dying. Hey, darling, one is going. This is heavy. Allah!
What's the problem now?
It's you.
You did what was caused.
Darling.
Good morning to you. Tia, good morning.
Good morning and goodbye.
Tia, what's the matter?
Kumbi, don't add your trouble to my own this morning.
No, Tia. I can't do that for you, rather, Tia. Amy. When only I bring this lace for you.
Thank you.
Tia, what's worry you now?
Oh, Kumbi, if it is because of this nonsense lace that you are trying to tatafo in my business, then you can take your lace and go away.
Rara, I invited this lace because I know it fits you well. And I make danshiki and shokoto for you. I also make moi and ogi. You like
my and ogi. Are you the one in the kitchen? Eh? Chineke. Mama Moji, what are you doing searching Chief's drawer? What are you looking for there? Oh, darling, moi. Darling, I brought you your favorite food.
I beg you for please. I beg you for.
Beg it for me? When I caught Mama Moji searching your drawer, Mama Moji, ma beg you for go and no biko. Here.
Me searching your drawer. When it is my earring who fall and I'm trying to take it. See, go and take your bath, Dari, and come out and eat.
Which food? I am the one in the kitchen. Mama Moji, ordinary instruction you cannot follow. If come to become, I know you will your will to only your children.
Which come is coming to become, and which will is willing to will. Look, let me warn the two of you. If by the time I come out from that bathroom, you people are still here, I'm begging you, both of you.
Your plan will not work. Your plan will not work. Your plan will
What
work.
plan?
Mama Moji, it will not work. That thing I know. Mana kangwa. Uge berera na mbabu. Your plan will work.
What plan?
I know what you know. Iga fuchi ani. Opo amuna. Uge berera na mbabu.
Nisho.
Lola, let's go. Let Bami catch you. Don't you know he's staying here? Mind your business.
See you. Allah calling somebody busybody.
Yeah.
Why don't you?
Oh, no worry. What? Ola, how did you get here?
I walked.
Why didn't you fly?
I don't have wings now. I can't fly.
Get out of my sight.
And I have something for you, Mommy Sippy.
I don't want to. I want more Ranu. They will never let one have peace in this house.
What I want to tell you, Mommy Agba knows and Mommy P too. So I thought you two should know. But I can see that you don't want to know, so I'm leaving.
What do they know?
What will you give me if I tell you?
Did I ask you for any information?
Sorry for disturbing you. Good night.
Come here. Okay, I'll give you biscuits.
I'm not a baby.
Ojebi. What do you want?
Money.
Wait for me. That's it.
I said I don't want biscuits.
Does this look like biscuit to you?
This is biscuit money.
Say what you want to say, Joe.
Don't rush me, Mommy Sippy. First, let's agree on money. I want 1K.
One what?
1K.
For what?
Special information.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Okay, 500 naira.
50 naira.
No.
What this stupid girl has to say might be very important too. Ola! Ola! Oh! Ola, this information had better be worth the price. Won't I know what I'm paying for?
Pay before service. The information is about a will. A will and Bami. Bami and a will. Is it good information? Thank you, man. Good night.
Epa! Hey! What will happen to my twins?
Mommy Agba heard the news and cried. Mommy Sibi heard the gist and cried. Only Mommy Peace did not cry. That woman, she's very strong. I wonder what she's still looking for this information.
Insolent braggart. What are you doing here?
You may soon consider me a useful braggart, especially as there is no gist reaching us so long.
So, what do you know?
Nothing goes for nothing.
Well, it depends on what is going for something.
There is a will and there is value.
Name your price.
Let's stop inside.
Darling. Braggarts. I can see that you're a good ally to have.
Ally?
Collaborator. You know, information merchant.
Anyway, my name is Ola. When it is happening, I know it.
Ola, now, I want to know what you know, and I do not want anybody else to know what I know. Is that clear?
That is casual.
Name your price.
2K.
Deal.
No, I wanted to say...
Feel free to knock on my back door at any time, okay? Now, run along. Take your goodies. Insolent 2K braggarts. That chief is downstairs. Those 3 witches have used African jazz to lure Chief away from my control. And I had worked out that will to be in Taju's favor. Now, who knows? Who knows? Caro, you have to get Chief back here fast. I must.
Who did you get all that from? There are a lot of goodies to get in this house. If you use your brains and play your cards right.
Show me the brain.
Never.
And I'll tell.
2. Everybody knows I see and tell. So, anyway, Sha, you and Shekeleke can come and work for me. See me.
I need your help.
I'm at your beck and call, Madam P.
One name. this is very confidential.
I can assure you, my staunchness is infallible.
Does that mean you agree or disagree?
Not in my wildest reverie would I disagree with you.
Sabinos, okwe manibu onye nke.
Yeah.
Anyị na-asụkọ otu asụsụ.
Honestly speaking, I am honored you have a fraternal inclination towards me.
Yes. Sabinos, in this house, I am the only Igbo woman. The rest are of the same tribe.
Yeah, I know that.
Now, please, help me.
Your rivals are conniving to eliminate you. I have to alert the police expeditiously.
Hey, Jim. No, now. Leave police out of this. This is not a police case. Nanya, let us settle it inside. If you cooperate.
Oh, wholeheartedly. Although, from all indication, it would require some financing.
I will pay you. I'll pay you.
Yeah. Now, what is the matter?
Sabinos. Nah. You know, the war has ears. So, one does not have to be too careful.
Very accurate and exact. So,
what I want to tell you is that please, let's go to my room to finish the discussion. Hey. Wait.
What we tell Ogbo, Ogbo is Gbo. What we tell Ogba, Ogba is Gba. What me, Olakunbi Aike, is tell you today is so. Hey, Chief Tajudeen Adebowale Fuji must not die you. And if he dies, let the will disappear. And the will is not disappear. Let everything right inside the will come to me, Olakunbi, and my children.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion, preaching practical solutions. Fuji house of commotion, peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number meditation.